Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you how to turn adaptive headlights on or off. So when the adaptive headlights is enabled, Model Y automatically switches between the high beam and the low beam highlights based on whether or not there is light detected in front of the Model Y. The highlights also adjust the curves on the road ahead to provide the greater visibility at night. You can also view it in this image as well. So to control this feature, you need to touch the controls, then go to lights. In the lights, there will be an option of the adaptive highlights, or by using the lights pop-up that display on the touch screen when you pull the turn signal slack towards you. So in the adaptive lights, you will be able to highlights, you will be able to see the on and off option, so you can easily control it from this setting. So I hope this video was helpful, and if it was, then do let me know that in the comment section, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Thanks for watching.